Hi friends, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Find the value of these two questions. Okay, how we will solve this problem? We'll see in detail. Okay, here also is given question mark, here also is given question mark. Question mark means you have replaced question mark, you have to take it as X. Instead of question mark, you have to write it as X, or you can take any alphabet. Okay, I'll take X here. So you have to cross these two. So x into x, x into x you have to write equal to, this one is goes up. So root of 128 into root of 162. So x into x, x square is equal to root of 128. So how we will write root of 128? So you have to do LCM. 264, 232, 262, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. Okay. Now we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 128 comes. So 162, how much comes? 162. So this is even number. So is divisible by 2. So that's why we are taken 2. 81. So 81, this is odd. So you can take it as 3. 3 2s are 6, 7, 8, 21. 7 3s are 21. 3, 9 3s are 27. 3, 3. So how much? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into, here is 2. So root. This is into. So 128, we written 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 162 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 1, 2 extra is there. So what you will do, you have to take it as 2 2 pair. So here is 2 2 pair. So you see remaining what is there? 2 is there, here is 2 is there. Here also root, here also root. How you will write in this? Root of 128 into 162. You have to write this. One root, you have to write the number in one root. So we have to take 2 into 2, no? So you have to take one pair in this. So how many pairs is there? One pair. This is 2 pair. This is 3 pair. This and this is 1 pair. So into 2 into 3 into 3. So this is not root. Is taken 1. So this is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 into 3 into 3. So 16 into 9. So 16 into 9 are 9 6 are 54. 5. 1 9 are 9. 10, 14. 144. So now x square is equal to 144. You remove square, no? So what you will do in this x square equal to 144. You remove the square, no? So you have to put root. Here is put root. So this square and root is cancelled. So what is that? Root of 144 is 12. So x value is 12. In this second question, root of 225. Root of 225 is what? First you have to write the multiplication table here. So 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. 6 6 are 36. 7 7s are 49. 8 8s are 64. 9 9s are 81. 10 10s are 100. 11 11s are 121. 12 12s are 144. 13 13s are 169. So 15 15s are 225. So 15 15s are 225 in this. So you see here in this denominator is given is root of 54 by root of 6. So in this how we will write? Root of 225 into root 6 by root 54. You have to write in this way. After that 225 is 15 into 15 root. into 6 is 3 into 2 are 6. Here is 54 is, you have to do LCM. 2 2s are 4, 7 2s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 2. So root. So you see above and below 3 and 2 you have to cancel it. So 3 into 3 is there. So you have to take 115 outside divided by 1 3 is outside. So what is the 5 3s are 15. So the instead of question mark you have to take it as x. So equal to x, correct? So x is equal to 5 is the answer.